Hello everyone and welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to save big money on PC games. If you're willing to wait for PC games to come down in price, you can get a great deal. It's a noticeable advantage over console gaming. The big three console makers do have sales, but not quite at the same scale of PC storefronts. Due to the frequent sales online, PC games cost a lot less than console games. Steam pretty much created online game stores. We should start there. Steam sales are incredible. Almost every game eventually goes on sale. Steam regularly offers games with 75% or more off. Steam has sales all year round, from daily deals, weekly deals, mid-weekly deals and weekend deals. The most noteworthy Steam sales are the huge seasonal sales, with almost everything on Steam is discounted. These sales only happen a few times every year, however. Other stores also have something to offer you. As of the writing of this video, Epic Games Store is giving away a free game every week. You can't get much cheaper than that. You'll need to use a different launcher than Steam. Epic Games Store and Steam Store don't play well together. The best way to keep track of all these sales is to use the wish list on Steam. Add a game to the wish list and an email notification alert will be in your email account when a sale happens. I have been using this method for many years. Finally, there is also websites that can be used to keep track of game sales. I recently discovered a website called isthereanydeal.com. The link will be in the video description. The website gathers all the latest deals and prices from multiple sites. If you sign up for an account, you can also use their own wish list. You have been watching a how-to tutorial from David Reilly. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notifications bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care everyone.